Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best ergonomic keyboard is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your workspace, especially if you spend hours typing every day. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of ergonomic keyboards, exploring their unique features, and helping you decide if one is right for you. We'll cover everything from split designs to key switch types, so you can find the perfect keyboard to boost your productivity and comfort. Number 5. Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This full-size keyboard has everything you need, including media keys and a numeric keypad. The mouse and keyboard connect easily. Just plug in a USB receiver and turn them on to start using it. Get a stylish keyboard and mouse set at a great price. It has a matte finish with black and silver colors. While not completely silent, it's much quieter than older models, especially mechanical keyboards. Both the keyboard and mouse use the same USB receiver for a reliable 2.4G connection, so you won't have any lag issues. The mouse has an adjustable DPI switch, allowing you to change the sensitivity for gaming or other tasks. It features an intelligent sleep mode to save power. If you don't use it for 10 minutes, it goes to sleep. You can wake it up quickly by pressing any key on the keyboard or a mouse button. It uses only one USB receiver, which is stored on the back of the mouse. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection provides a strong and reliable connection up to 33 feet away without any delays. What we like. This combo offers a full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad, perfect if you need all the keys for work or data entry. It connects via a stable 2.4G wireless connection, so you won't have to worry about lag. Plus, the adjustable DPI mouse is great for gaming or detailed work. If you are looking for a reliable and full-featured wireless setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The keyboard's ergonomic design has significantly improved my wrist comfort during long work sessions. The keys are very responsive and have a satisfying tactile feel. The white color and sleek design look great on my desk and match my other accessories. Number 4. BONTEC KMT01 Under Desk Keyboard Tray. Before you buy, make sure this tray will fit your desk. It needs a flat underside without any curves or support beams. Check the product images to be sure. Make sure you have enough space under your desk. The tray needs at least 31.3 inches of width and 11.4 inches of depth to slide in and out. Confirm these dimensions before you order. Reclaim your desktop by using this slide-out tray for your keyboard and mouse. The ergonomic design helps reduce wrist strain and keeps your workspace organized. It's great for any office or gaming setup. Install it quickly with sturdy C-clamps, no tools or drilling are needed. The clamps attach securely to desks up to 1.57 inches thick. Protective pads prevent scratches and ensure stability. The 25.6 by 11.8 inch surface can hold up to 11 pounds and slides out smoothly. It's designed for standard keyboards and mice. However, it's not recommended for vertical mice or split ergonomic keyboards due to height clearance. What we like. This under-desk keyboard tray is a game-changer for anyone wanting to maximize their desk space. Installation is a breeze with the C-clamp design, requiring no drilling. The slide-out tray keeps your workspace tidy and helps reduce wrist strain. If you have a cluttered desk and want to create a more ergonomic and organized workspace, consider this. What people say. It was really easy to assemble and is very sturdy. It fits my compact keyboard and mouse perfectly. The brackets they use are very strong and more than enough, which is perfect for this keyboard tray. The mounts were the perfect size to fit onto the table and it's really quite solidly attached. Installation was simple with the clamp-on design, no drilling needed, and it feels very secure. The tray is wide enough to comfortably fit a full-size keyboard and mouse, with extra space to spare. Number 3. ProtoArc EK01 Plus Ergonomic Backlit Keyboard. Introducing the ProtoArc EK01 Plus, designed for ultimate comfort. This ergonomic keyboard features a split-frame design to reduce strain and promote proper posture. The scooped keys fit your fingertips perfectly, making typing a breeze. It may take a little time to get used to the layout at first. We recommend giving yourself a week or two to adapt. The ergonomic design will help relieve muscle pressure on your wrists and forearms. Enjoy soft white LED backlighting with 3 brightness levels. You can adjust it to suit any lighting condition, or turn it off to save power. This feature impacts battery life, offering up to 100 days of use without the backlight. Experience all-day comfort with the built-in wrist rest, providing 54% more support. Adjust the tilt feet to 3 different angles for a relaxed typing experience, whether you're sitting or standing. Easily switch between devices with Bluetooth and USB connectivity. This wireless keyboard pairs with up to 3 devices simultaneously. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Android systems. The keyboard has a large 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. Focus on your work without worrying about frequent charging. The USB-C cable is for charging only. What we like. This ergonomic keyboard is designed for comfort, featuring a split design to reduce strain. It also has adjustable backlighting, so you can customize it to your liking. The ability to switch between multiple devices is a huge plus. If you are looking for a keyboard that prioritizes comfort and productivity across multiple devices, it's a great choice. What people say. This keyboard has a good tactile feel to the keystroke so that I can tell if my press is registered without me having to look at the screen, but it's not so loud that people on my Zoom calls ask me to mute my microphone because of the noisy keys. Another feature I like about this one is that it is similar, not identical, to my old unit regarding the wrist rest. It is some type of faux leather with some texture to it, but is also slightly padded. Some of the nice features about this keyboard are that it has volume up-down controls in the center of the keyboard, along with playback-forward keys too. Number 2. Perixx Periboard 612 Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard. This keyboard features a split-key design with an integrated palm rest. It supports your wrists and helps to reduce forearm tension. This design promotes a natural arm and hand position while typing. It offers both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. You can easily switch between the 2 modes using a switch on the bottom. The nano receiver can be stored safely in a compartment. The keyboard includes 7 multimedia keys for quick access to various functions. These keys are optimized for both Mac and Windows systems. They allow you to control things like volume and open applications. The keys have a long travel distance, providing a satisfying typing experience. They are tactile and responsive. You'll enjoy the feel of each keystroke. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS X. There is an OS switch at the bottom of the keyboard. The package includes the keyboard, extra Mac keys, a keycap puller, and a manual. What we like. This ergonomic keyboard features a split-key design with an integrated palm rest for maximum comfort. It offers both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity. With dedicated multimedia keys, it makes controlling your media easy. If you spend long hours typing and want to reduce strain, this is a solid option. What people say. The keyboard's ergonomic design has significantly improved my wrist comfort during long work sessions. The keys are very responsive and have a satisfying tactile feel. The white color and sleek design look great on my desk and match my other accessories. Number 1. AULA F2088 Retro Mechanical Keyboard. This retro-style keyboard has vintage round keycaps, giving it a unique look. The mechanical blue switches provide a quick response with tactile feedback, ideal for both gaming and typing. The stepped keycaps are designed to fit your fingertips comfortably. It features an intuitive control knob for multimedia and lighting. You can easily adjust volume, switch tracks, and control playback. The keyboard offers 19 backlighting modes with customizable settings, and you can create 3 personalized lighting profiles. The keyboard has a durable aluminum top panel with a scratch-resistant finish. It also includes a magnetic wrist rest for comfortable palm support, reducing strain during long use. This sturdy construction ensures it will last. This gaming keyboard uses full N-key rollover, ensuring every keystroke is registered accurately. Each key uses an independent mechanical switch for an instant response. It also offers programmable functionality, allowing custom key assignments for gaming or work. It provides a stable plug-and-play connection for both desktops and laptops. The keyboard is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, and no additional drivers are needed. You can start working or gaming immediately with this keyboard. What we like. This keyboard has a unique retro typewriter style with mechanical blue switches for a satisfying typing experience. It also features a convenient multimedia control knob. If you like a keyboard with a vintage aesthetic and tactile feedback, you will love it. What people say. The keyboard's ergonomic design has significantly improved my wrist comfort during long work sessions. The keys have a satisfying tactile feel, making typing a pleasure. The white color and sleek design look great on my desk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.